Knock, knock. Who is there? I think it is Green Bear. Hi. Hi, my awesome friends. This is my new toy from Lidl. The Knock, knock. Who's there game. Here's the game. Now let's open it up. So, this is what we've got inside the game. Some of this. And there's also some more stuff. There's a dice, some bear cards, and some of these things. And these colorful bear cards. Here are bears. These are the bears what we'll have in the game. Done. You have to put these in here. One side is the door number and one side is the bear. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put the rest in. 4, 5, and 6. Now let me tell you how to play with this game. One person has to roll the dice, and whatever number you get, knock at the door number, and you have to say, knock, knock, who is there? I think it is red bear, or any color you think it could be. Let me show you how to play. Now it's my turn. I got a 6. I've got a 6. So I have to knock at the door number 6. Knock, knock, who is there? I think it is yellow bear. Let's check. Yeah, I got 1. Yeah, I got yellow color. This is right. Is your turn, Mommy, please?
Just knock at the door number 3. Knock, knock, who is there? I think it's blue bear. Can you please check for me?
Okay.
No.
Mommy didn't win. It goes on the side. Now it's my turn again. 2. Knock, knock, who is there? I think it is green bear. Let's check.
Ooh, how do you know? Your guess is so right.
Yeah. I want 2 bears. It's your turn, Mommy.
6. Knock, knock, who is there? I think it's a blue bear.
Let's check. Not you. Uh-oh. Mommy loses again. You keep playing until you do all the cards. Mommy and I will play now and have fun. You two have fun and have a good day. If you want to buy this toy game, you can buy it for $2.99 from Lidl. Look after yourself and please subscribe my channel.